friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the EVGA E1 gaming rig. So friend, EVGA introduces the E1 gaming rig, and friend, this is the next level by setting a statement with our new gaming rig, and friend, it will be extremely limited and available to EVGA members only. And friend, back in 1999 when EVGA first was founded, graphics card were basic, and friend, EVGA was first to introduce heat pipe cooling and ICX technology along with 4-way SLI, bringing more benefits to gamers. And in 2012, EVGA introduced its first power supply. Through quality and features, EVGA has become a top choice for power supply when gamers are building their system. And even continues the tradition of top tier hardware for gamers with a patent pending integrated suspension system comprised of steel cables. And even chassis frame is constructed with 100% 3K plain wave carbon fiber. And at 2.76 lbs, the E1 sports the lightest frame design compared to other chassis of the same volume. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.